Going to be starting the after treatment series video after this one. This is a very quick video. I wanted to make you aware, those of you who build engines, on the ISX or QSX. QSX is being an industrial version of the ISX, basically the same engine. Anyway, what I wanted to make you aware of is the oil control rings on the pistons. There's two different types of oil control rings. One of them is directional. It has a top, and if you don't put it in with the top up, you can have oil consumption problems. And the other one is a non-directional ring, which means you can flip it either way. If you spin it on a bench, whichever way it falls down, you can put it in that way, it'll be fine. Okay, let's take a quick look here and see what the difference is and how you can tell. Thanks for joining me. On the ISX piston, the oil control ring goes in the bottom ring groove on the piston. The compression rings are above that. That does not change. The oil ring will always go in the bottom groove. However, now there's two different types of rings. I've got them stacked one on top of the other on the left. The bottom ring, notice the slots in the center of it. It's non-directional. Remember, the rings are two-part. There's an expander on the inside. You can see that on the blow-up on the right. The non-directional ring you can put in, flip it over, put it in. Again, they always go in the bottom groove on the piston. The directional ring, notice it has round holes in it instead of oblong slots. That is a directional ring. The top has to be up at all times. Otherwise, you will have oil consumption problems. And you can check out that technical service bulletin that's listed up at the top. It describes that issue in full.